Hey guys, welcome back! So today I'm just doing my regular skincare routine at home, and I wanted to share something new I recently added to it. I'm not here to hype anything up, just showing you what I am actually using right now. So this is the moisturizer I picked up. It's the Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. I've heard about it for a long time, and I finally decided to try it myself. This one is fragrance-free, which is really important for me because my skin can be a little sensitive. Let me unbox it with you real quick. Okay, the packaging is super clean and simple. I like that it feels sturdy and not cheap. And the jar itself is glass, which honestly makes it feel a little more premium. Let's open it. Alright, the texture looks really smooth and rich, but not overly thick. And since it's fragrance-free, there's basically no scent, which I love. Nothing overwhelming, nothing artificial. I'm starting with a clean face. I'll take about this much, not too much, just a small amount, and gently apply it to my skin. I usually start from the center and blend outward. Wow, it actually melts into the skin really nicely. It doesn't feel greasy at all, which surprised me because some richer creams can feel heavy. This one feels hydrating, but light at the same time. I usually focus a little extra on areas where my skin feels drier or where fine lines tend to show more, like around the mouth and the forehead. It spreads really easily, so you don't need a lot. Right now my skin feels very soft and smooth. There's a nice glow, but not in a shiny or oily way. More like a healthy, hydrated look. I've been using this for a short while now, mostly in the morning and at night. What I personally noticed is that my skin feels firmer and more hydrated throughout the day. My makeup also sits better on top of it, which is a nice bonus. If you're someone who deals with dryness, early signs of aging, or just wants a good everyday moisturizer that doesn't feel heavy, this one has been working really nicely for me so far. Of course, everyone's skin is different, but this has been a really comfortable product for my routine. If you're curious about it, I'll leave the exact product details in the description so you can check it out yourself. No pressure at all, just sharing what I'm currently using. That's it for today. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!